Good morning, Buenos Dias, I'm Dia, and this month I have created a 28-day fitness challenge to get my booty into shape. That's right. The motivation for this channel was actually taken from a book. This book showed me what I want to do with the rest of my life and who I want to be. I want to be grateful for anything and everything that I have in my life now, so I can have a better, stronger tomorrow. I have had a roller coaster of a fitness journey, and I'm sure a lot of you out there have. I have gone from 160 pounds in high school and have dropped down 40 pounds, which I am so proud of myself. I never thought that I would get to where I am now, but I know that I can go farther, and that's why I'm doing this channel. And I would love to help you reach your dream goal and dream body as well. So do remember to subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge. And let's get into the video. You guys, we are going to do some glute activations. We are going to start with the clams to really warm up that booty so it can completely engage during the rest of the workout. Make sure to focus on just squeezing the glute to lift. We are also going to be doing some banded squats. And some kickbacks. We're doing 3 sets of 10 repetitions each. Then we're going to move on to our workout. We are starting off with squats. We are doing 4 sets of 8 reps. Since we're only doing 8 repetitions, you're going to want to go heavy. Make sure you are challenging yourself. I realized that this weight was actually too light for me, so I went up in weight. Then we are moving on to a superset. A superset is 2 exercises worked back to back without rest. We are doing some Romanian deadlifts and some kickbacks with a band. We are doing 4 sets of 8 Romanian deadlifts and 12 sets of the kickbacks with each leg. And we're going to dance it out because why not? Then we move on to split squats. We are doing 4 sets of 12 reps each leg. We are wanting to get a wide stance so we can really target that glute and that hamstring. And lastly, we are doing another superset. We are doing hip thrusts with a band and sitting abductors. So for the hip thrust, you want to do 10 repetitions. For the sitting abductor, we are going to do 20 repetitions. We are going to be doing 4 sets. Welcome back, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, but I would love your feedback, so do comment those down below. If you have any questions or concerns or anything that will help me help you, would be greatly appreciated. I also will have the workouts in the description box below, so just take a screenshot, take it to the gym, the living room, homegirl's yacht, wherever it may be, take it with you, do the workout, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 2. Adios.